Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Pipedrive deal notes and attachments workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Pipedrive and log into your account. Navigate to the deals section from the main dashboard. Select the specific deal you want to update. Once in the deal view, locate the notes section on the left side. Click on the Add Note button to create a new note. Type in your observations or updates relevant to the deal. If you need to make edits to an existing note, hover over the note and select the pencil icon. Make the necessary changes and click Save to update the note. Next, find the Attachments section below the notes. Click on the Add File button to upload any relevant documents or files. Select the file from your computer and confirm the upload. Wait for the upload to complete before proceeding. To remove an attachment, hover over the file and click the trash can icon. Confirm the deletion to remove the attachment from the deal. After updating notes and attachments, review everything for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, close the deal window to save your changes automatically. You have successfully updated the Pipedrive deal notes and attachments workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.